We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual.
This is a part of the preamble of our Constitution. However, even after 6 decades of our independence, many of these promises have remained unfulfilled for a large number of people.
हमारी आत्मा में बड़े धक्का होते हैं कि क्या भगवान तुम अन्ना फाओ तो हम कई जन्म का कहते हैं छूत बना दी न।
जब हमें कोई छू ले फिर वो नहाएगा नहीं, बगैर नहाने से एक दूसरे को छू नहीं सकता।
हम चाहते कि हम सब जने जो आप लोग जैसे बने हो, हम चाहते थोड़ी बहुत हम भी पढ़ लें, लिख के बन जाए कछु, पर हम कछु नहीं पढ़ पाए।
Aarti lives in a remote Indian village of Uttar Pradesh and is a victim of deep-rooted caste system. Aarti's parents abandoned their nomadic lifestyle just for the sake of their children and to educate them. However, at school, she is asked to do something else.
4वीं क्लास में पढ़ती हूँ और मैं स्कूल में जाती हूँ तो बोलते हैं पहले झाड़ू मारो फिर पढ़ाएंगे, तो झाड़ू मारते हैं फिर पौधे में पानी डलवाते हैं और कूड़ा उठवाते हैं, फिर पढ़ने जाते हैं तो बोलते दूर बैठो, दूर बैठते हैं तो फिर खाना नहीं देती है।
The story is no different for the other siblings in the family and other children of the village.
बच्चे जाते हैं तो रोते रोते आते हैं, हम कहते हैं बेटा क्या हो गया, तो कहते मास्टर ने हमें मार रही है, हमें पढ़ाती नहीं है।
Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan is the principal program for the universalization of elementary education in India. Although the program is a big success in many parts of India, but for children like Aarti, education is still a distant dream. Not far from Aarti's village lives Anjani with her husband and their newborn child.
पेट में दर्द हुआ तो आशा के लिया के गई हुआ तो केवाड़ी खुलल हुआ पहुँच गई तो केवाड़ी खुलल तो फिर कल कौन बिरादर हो तब मैं कहे हरजन तो कल यही लेट जाओ, तो हम वही लेट गए भूई तो मेरा बच्चा पैदा भया वहाँ भूई 32-37 कुछ नहीं।
The main aim of National Rural Health Mission is to provide accessible, affordable, accountable, effective and reliable primary health care, especially to poor and vulnerable sections of the population.
गए हॉस्पिटल में छोट बिरादर जान के हमने के कहा कि मुसैन है छुअब ना, तो वही से घिनाई के सुई लगवलीन, सुई लगाए के तो कहथिन कि आवा पीर बढ़ा लगल, तो कहा कि आवा देखा बच्चा हो वाला बा, कहा कि नहीं वही सुतो दो खट पर सुता दो बच्चा अपने आप हो जाई। सुई दवाई में लगल रहल पैसा तो आपन ले लेलिन 100 रुपया माँ से और 200-300 रुपया ले लेलिन।
Integrated Child Development Scheme or ICDS is another such pioneer scheme to address the welfare of mother and child across our country. The scheme aims to offer health, nutrition and hygiene education to mothers, non-formal preschool education to children aged 3 to 6, supplementary feeding for all children, pregnant and nursing mothers. These services are delivered in an integrated manner at the Anganwadi or Child Care Center located near or within the village itself.
हमारे यहाँ आंगनबाड़ी नहीं है, दूर है, वहाँ चौराहा में, तो वहाँ बुकना मिलता है तो वो में कीड़े पड़े रहते हैं और कीड़े के बाद वो ले आते हैं, करू भी आता है तो बच्चे नहीं खाते हैं, हम भी बच्चे नहीं खाते हैं, कुत्ता
खा लेता है पर कुत्ता भी नहीं खाता है, तो इसलिए बच्चे वहाँ नहीं जाते हैं।
मैं आंगनबाड़ी जाती हूँ, हाँ, वहाँ पालंजरी मिलती है, उसमें कीड़े आते हैं, और चावल मिलते हैं, उसमें भी कीड़े आते, कुछ डालती नहीं है, नमक और हल्दी ऊपर से डाल देती हैं बस।
What's most concerning is that today, due to this inequity, the vulnerable communities are not even able to utilize various government schemes and other services for their betterment. However, all this can change. And to achieve this, we need to change many things. The way we allocate our resources, the way we think and act. We need to change our caste-based social norms and above all, our mindsets. Most importantly, we need to change the mindset and the behavior of the frontline workers in these various schemes.
Change in mindset in any society require a process of education, not about the education of getting degrees and diplomas and certificates, but about the behavior of oneself, that how oneself behave with the fellow citizen, how one community behave with the other community. For this, the society need to support the organization of the victims so that they provide leadership to change the mindset and thought process of the society.
Most of the funds and resources available with governments are utilized in big flagship programs. There is an urgent need to ensure that these programs reach the excluded community and the services reach the vulnerable and marginalized people for whom they are meant. It's time to initiate measures to correct the inequity prevalent in our society. There is a need to make them economically independent. It is time to fulfill what has been promised in our Constitution. It is time to change our mindset and develop new strategies so the facilities could reach the unreached.
To ensure that these programs achieve what they are meant to, it is necessary to inform and educate people about their rights and entitlements, especially those who are the most vulnerable and the most excluded.
We know we cannot change the history, but we can certainly learn from our mistakes in the past. This will indeed help us change our future. Let's make sure that our children get proper education, nourishment, and equal opportunities. We, the people of India, have to realize our commitment to this great nation and its people, that is us.